Hey guys, I have a 2023 Hyundai Elantra, and one of the things that was difficult for me to do is to find a place to mount a phone holder, and it really is not that easy. So we have something over here like this spot that has, um, you know, this is what we basically put here. But on the left side, it's super inconvenient using any of the air vents, like to do the vent clips. That didn't work out because they're really cool and they're kind of inside the dash, so it's really hard to get to those. Those don't work, and placing it here on the top could be an option, but it's really inconvenient. Like right here, it's going to be too high. It's kind of hidden behind the screen, so none of it worked for me. And I got a solution, and I'm very grateful to this company that came up with this. Is basically a mount that goes over the screen. All right, so here's what the setup looks like, and you can see how it's shaped like it. And the mount for the phone holder goes right here. This is it right here. I got the MagSafe. There's also a MagSafe with the charger on it, where for wireless charging, you can just place the phone on it and it'll charge your phone. You will need to connect the cord into your socket here though, or the USB adapter. But this one is what I wanted. It's basically just the MagSafe phone mount, and it goes right in here. Just clips in there like so. It's got stickers over here, so the double tape and a double tape on top, so it'll sit on there. Check out this really cool setup. So this is the back, this is the front of it, this is going to be behind, and from the front of the car it also looks cool. So let's go ahead and check it out. You also get this installation instructions right here. So here I have it all clean, wiped down, and the tape will just sit right on top here, and it doesn't damage the screen at all. So it sits right over here. I don't have the tape down, but it's sitting pretty nice. Check that out. And this plastic piece, it's not over the screen at all. So if you're here as a driver, you can see the screen. So looking from the back, it's all nice and flush. So all we need to do is just remove this tape, or the protective film from the tape. Just remove this film, and also from here. So here you go. And now we can go ahead and place this right over. So slide this in, don't tape it there yet. So just make sure it's all the way to the left, and press down, and then press on this end, and you're all set. So now you can just tighten this ring and you're ready to go. If you don't have a MagSafe on your case or on your phone, it comes with this ring that you can just attach to your case or your phone. Remove this backing and attach it there, and you're going to turn any phone into a MagSafe device. So it's all set. So for 2021 and newer Elantras, this is the way to go. I'm not sure if there's other models that really need this, but with this car, we've noticed that really there's no spot that we can do the phone mount. This we need to remove because it's super inconvenient. But yeah, we're super happy with this now, and that's why I wanted to share this with you. And let me know what you think. Let me know what you think about this mount. I'm gonna leave the link to this product. I got this on Amazon for about $29. It costs anywhere between $25 and $35 when I was getting it. There isn't much sellers at this point, but the one that I got, I'm gonna put the link down in the description and in the comments. So check those out. Please don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel, and have yourself a great day.